Welcome to A Mermaid's Tale by the Three Girls Tale for Prima Marketing, a collection of stunning mermaids and the beauty of the ocean. This collection is made up of a gorgeous colour palette of turquoise, deep blues and purples. We have 6 double-sided papers, 12 by 12 size, 2 sheets of each, and 2 lovely element sheets. Beautiful mermaids, seahorses, florals, seashells, turtles, fish, beautiful elements. Stunning ship wheels with floral clusters, lovely quotes and beautiful imagery. This one you can cut, perfect for your journals and card making. Under the Sea Beauty, this gorgeous turquoise colour, and Dancing in the Moonlight, beautiful navy blue. Look at this gorgeous anchor with all its beautiful floral clusters and coral, seashells. That's a stunning, stunning piece. And our basic, perfect for our backgrounds. Look at this gorgeous mermaid with her brunette hair and beautiful floral clusters. And then we have another perfect background piece, great for your card making or any project really. Another stunning mermaid with her treasure, little turtle, and stripes and bubbles on this one. The backside with lovely lavender shells and this lovely sea foam green colour, perfect for your ocean projects. Another beachy themed with the sand, the anchors, the fish. So gorgeous. The colours are divine. And the backside is this gorgeous mermaid scales paper which has all the coordinating colours for the collection. We have our 6x6 paper pad. They're 6 double-sided designs with 4 sheets of each, and they are the exact same designs as the 12 by 12 paper. You also get the lovely element sheets, 2 of those as well. And then we have the journaling note cards. We have sizes 4 by 6 and then the 3 by 4. There's 15 different designs in each. Okay, so these designs are different to the 3 by 4 and you get 3 sheets of each. They run both vertical and horizontal. Beautiful images and quotes. And then there's some from the 3 by 4. Starfish wishes, mermaid kisses. All so lovely. We have 2 gorgeous ephemera packs. There's one pack with florals. It's 54 pieces and it's florals and coral clusters. As you can see, they are absolutely beautiful and the colours are just so gorgeous. And then our second pack has 66 pieces and it contains all our lovely little elements, including our mermaids, starfish, seahorses, shells, our anchors, and our ship wheels. Next we have our stunning Say It in crystals. There are 48 pieces in this pack and look at that sparkle. They're just the perfect amount of bling to add to your project. They come in teal and lavenders and dark blues. And then we have our chipboard stickers, 49 pieces in this set, and they come in all the little quotes and all the lovely little words that coordinate with the collection and all the stunning colors as well. These two products are perfect to add to your cards as the perfect finishing touch. And then we have our stationery kit. The stationery kit is stunning. We have 12 postcards with the beautiful lines on them and all the gorgeous imagery. And you can use them with your journaling, or you can also write little notes to your friends and family and then pop into these cute little envelopes, and they'll just fold perfectly into those. It's a really lovely set, stationery kit. Okay, we have a lovely sweet sticker roll. It's transparent and you get 15 gorgeous designs, and it comes on this 2-meter roll. Okay, and then we have our mold. Beautiful mold with mermaid, anchor, turtle. Just to show you a few of the elements, it's absolutely stunning with its details. Fishy, and the bottle, seashells, and it comes with this beautiful ship wheel. Absolutely must have. Beautiful mold that you can use over and over again. We have 6 stunning new Prima flower packets to coordinate with a mermaid's tail. Our smaller florals include sea treasures in this gorgeous lavender and teal combination with the purple. They're perfect for your smaller, if you're just looking for something that's not so bulky in florals and just want to add a special touch with a little flower. They're perfect. And then we have starfish kisses in all the gorgeous blues and teals with the lovely centers, and they're also a smaller pack. And then we have the gorgeous beigey, creamy, sandy walks. So there's 8 florals in this packet. And then we have our water florals in the blues, 9 pieces in this pack with the dark blue and the teals and the beige, so lots of colors in that one with those beautiful stamen centers. And then we have ocean mist, 5 gorgeous flowers here, beautiful centerpiece floral. And last but not least, we have our mermaid dreams, which is the gorgeous purples with some dark blue, bigger florals as well. This is a lovely mix pack. There's lots of different sizes in this one. So yeah, our gorgeous florals.